Now let us see Shakespeare as a writer. As a writer, Shakespeare was a person of intellectual rapidity, perceptiveness, and poetic power. There was great intellectual power was there in his writings, and he greatly perceived whatever he observed. He greatly perceived in his characters, and he had mastered that poetic power. He is referred to as the father of English drama. He had the keenness of mind, the presence of mind he had. He was not only limited to remote subjects, but he had a wide range of he wrote about great range of emotions of human beings, about their emotions and their conflicts. He was astonishingly clever with his words and images. The way he presented imagery through his words is remarkable. He had this mental energy which gave a very memorable expression of whatever he wrote, which was very much convincing to everyone. In grammar school, he was deeply influenced by the Latin poet Ovid. Then he didn't possess a formal university education like the university wits who were very much relevant during that time, who were on the business of playmaking, but he did not receive that university education. Even with his grammar education from his grammar school, he wrote so well and he surpassed all the university wits and every writers of the time. He proved himself as a very gifted and prolific writer, as he wrote in every year he wrote 2 complete plays along with his acting. The contemporaries of Shakespeare have criticized Shakespeare, and of that the major criticism was of Ben Jonson, who criticized Shakespeare about his failure of following the 3 unities. The 3 unities are the unities of time, place, and action, which says that each act should be of same time period, acts should be of around same place, and the action should be very much belonging to the plot. So he failed to use this unities of time, place, and action. His work continues to influence writers of this time. He wrote mainly in iambic pentameter. What do you mean by iambic pentameter? Iambic pentameter is the 5-meter verse which has got which are stressed like this, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, like that, 5 meters. Okay. So the characters his character seems to be more real than the stock characters of the writers of his time. He wrote for every type of people. Some of the writers, they used to write only for the upper class people, but Shakespeare wrote for every class people. His witty writing style and his creative mastery is very much evident in his Romeo and Juliet. He was the most influential writer of all the time, and he brought the lyrical element to the plays, and he wrote equally about kings and paupers. Whether his characters were kings, whether his characters were paupers, he wrote equally about, or he gave the justice to each of his characters. His iambic pentameter verses utilized a natural rhythm in the English language, and his themes as well as his literary devices. So his literary devices are even influential to the writers of 21st century. Shakespeare has contributed around 1700 words to English vocabulary, which includes words like amazement, bedroom, gossip, swagger, unreal, fashionable, dawn, champion, puking, etc. So I hope you understood about Shakespeare as a writer, how great writer he was. I hope you got an idea about it. Thank you.